Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the girl Leonie McKenzie. If this is your first time with us, special welcome to you. This is a quick tour of my apartment garden. Here I have some cherry tomatoes. They share a pot with the callaloo. I'll just pick some of these ripe tomatoes. I should tell you they are very sweet. Next to this flower spot here I have some zucchini and squash. Let's head around this corner here. It's really muddy. Here I have some cherry tomatoes again. I'll pick some more. Next to it I have callaloo. And around this side here I have here some Malabar spinach, some red Malabar spinach. This spinach is very nutritious. It has health benefits for you. It has vitamin A, C. It has iron, potassium, phosphorus and magnesium. It can be eaten raw or steamed. These berries that you look at, these you can dry them. You can pick them and dry them. That's the seed you're looking at there. I'll get some of these leaves. There we go. One more. Up top here I have Italian parsley. This plant I let it grow old so I can get the seeds from it. This is another tomato. I can't tell the type, but it's a store-bought tomato. Oh wow, look here. I have a pineapple. I planted this on the 7th of March this year. And I have a baby pineapple coming up. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let's go back around this side. Wow, so much more. Wow. Okay, let's go to this side here. Here I have a fig plant. I have one fig that survived on the tree.